How immune system keeps us safe? The immune system is your body's complex defense mechanism, protecting you from harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. It's a dynamic network of organs, cells, and proteins that identifies and neutralizes invaders while maintaining a delicate balance to avoid attacking healthy cells. Let's explore the fascinating science behind this vital system. How the immune system works. The immune system operates as a multi-layered defense mechanism designed to protect the body from harmful pathogens like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and toxins. The first line of defense: physical and chemical barriers. These barriers are the body's first shield against pathogens, preventing their entry. Skin acts as a physical wall, shielding internal organs from microbial invasion. It produces antimicrobial peptides to inhibit pathogen growth. Mucus and cilia are found in the respiratory and digestive systems. Mucus traps microbes, while cilia are hair-like structures that move trapped particles out of the body. The highly acidic environment of the stomach, with a pH of 2 due to hydrochloric acid, kills most germs. Tears, saliva, and sweat contain enzymes and antimicrobial substances like lysozyme, which break down bacterial cell walls. Next, the second line of defense: innate immune system. This layer provides a non-specific rapid response to pathogens. White blood cells such as macrophages and neutrophils are cellular soldiers that engulf and digest pathogens. Natural killer cells, or NK cells, identify and kill virus-infected cells and cancer cells without needing prior activation. Inflammation caused by infection or injury increases blood flow, recruits immune cells, and isolates the affected area. Symptoms include redness, swelling, heat, and pain. Complement proteins circulate in the blood and mark pathogens for destruction. They help pierce the pathogen's membrane, causing it to burst. Cytokines are chemical messengers that regulate the immune response. They help recruit other immune cells and promote inflammation. Lastly, third line of defense: adaptive immune system. This system is specific and tailored to particular pathogens, but takes longer to respond. This includes lymphocytes, T cells, and B cells. There are mainly two types of T cells: helper T cells and cytotoxic T cells. Helper T cells coordinate the immune response by activating B cells and other T cells, while cytotoxic T cells directly attack and kill infected cells. B cells produce antibodies that specifically bind to and neutralize pathogens. Antibodies are proteins designed to recognize unique antigens on pathogens. Antibodies block pathogens from infecting cells and mark pathogens for destruction by phagocytes. The unique feature of adaptive immunity is its immunological memory. Adaptive immunity remembers past infections. Upon re-exposure to the same pathogen, the immune system responds faster and more robustly. How do these complex systems work together? The immune system is a highly interconnected network. Barriers prevent pathogen entry. If breached, the innate immune system launches an immediate non-specific attack. Meanwhile, the adaptive immune system is activated to target the invader specifically, ensuring future protection. This layered defense mechanism ensures that the body remains resilient and adaptive to evolving threats. What are the major organs of the immune system? The immune system relies on a network of specialized organs that work together to produce, develop, and house immune cells. Each organ plays a distinct role in defending the body against infections and maintaining immune health. First, bone marrow. It is the primary site for hematopoiesis, or the production of all blood cells, including immune cells. It produces white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets. WBCs play a major role in immunity, including lymphocytes, monocytes, and neutrophils. RBCs transport oxygen. Platelets aid in blood clotting. The bone marrow also contains B cells, which mature here before entering the circulation. Second, thymus. It is the maturation site for T cells, a type of lymphocyte essential for adaptive immunity. Immature T cells, or thymocytes, migrate here from the bone marrow to undergo positive selection that ensures T cells can recognize pathogens, and negative selection that removes T cells that attack the body's own tissues and prevents autoimmunity. The thymus is largest during childhood and gradually shrinks with age, a process called involution. Third, lymph nodes. Lymph nodes act as a filter for lymphatic fluid, trapping germs, debris, and cancer cells. They contain high concentrations of immune cells such as B cells, T cells, and macrophages or phagocytes. Lymph nodes are strategically located throughout the body, including in the neck, armpits, and groin. Fourth, spleen. It filters blood instead of lymph and removes old or damaged red blood cells, and detects and removes pathogens and foreign particles from the bloodstream. It contains white pulp rich in immune cells to fight infection, and red pulp that breaks down RBCs and stores platelets. The spleen acts as a blood immune checkpoint, activating immune responses as needed. Fifth, mucosal associated lymphoid tissue, or MALT. MALT provides localized immune protection at mucosal surfaces, which are prime entry points for pathogens. MALT includes the Peyer's patches in the intestine that are part of the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, or GALT. MALT also includes the tonsils and adenoids in the throat and bronchus-associated lymphoid tissue, or BALT, in the respiratory tract. MALT houses specialized immune cells to detect and combat pathogens in these areas. How these organs work together. The bone marrow and thymus are primary lymphoid organs where immune cells are produced and matured. The lymph nodes, spleen, and MALT are secondary lymphoid organs where immune cells are activated and coordinate responses to threats. This well-orchestrated system ensures robust immunity against infections while maintaining tolerance to the body's own cells. How the immune system recognizes pathogens. The immune system's ability to distinguish between self and non-self is critical to its function. It achieves this using antigens, unique molecules on the surface of cells and pathogens. Antigens are proteins, carbohydrates, or lipids on the surface of microbes or infected cells. The immune system identifies non-self antigens as foreign and initiates a response. Pattern recognition receptors are found on innate immune system cells such as macrophages and dendritic cells. They detect pathogen-associated molecular patterns that are shared by many pathogens such as bacterial cell walls, viral DNA, and RNA. The response is a rapid, generalized defense against a wide range of pathogens. The adaptive immune system T cells and B cells possess antigen-specific receptors that bind to unique antigens. The response is slow, highly specific, and forms immunological memory. So the innate system provides an immediate but non-specific response, while the adaptive system takes time but develops a targeted response and develops immunological memory for future attacks. The immune response occurs in several stages, each contributing to pathogen elimination and immunity. First, inflammatory response. It is triggered by the innate immune system. Damaged or infected tissues release signals such as histamine and cytokines. This results in increased blood flow leading to redness and warmth, swelling from fluid leakage, and recruitment of immune cells such as neutrophils, macrophages to the site of infection. Second, fever. Pyrogens or molecules released by immune cells or pathogens reset the hypothalamus to raise body temperature. It inhibits pathogen growth and enhances immune cell efficiency, such as T cell activation and phagocytosis. Third, antibody production. B cells, upon recognizing a specific antigen, are activated and differentiate into plasma cells that produce antibodies. Antibodies block the entry of pathogens into host cells and mark pathogens for destruction by phagocytes. They also cause complement activation that enhances pathogen lysis and the immune response. Fourth, memory formation. After the infection is cleared, the adaptive immune system generates memory cells. Memory T cells quickly recognize and destroy infected cells, while memory B cells quickly produce antibodies when exposed to the same germ. This process forms the basis of immunity, ensuring faster and stronger responses in future encounters with the same pathogen. The immune system's ability to detect, respond, and remember pathogens ensures efficient protection against infections. While the innate system offers quick, generalized defense, the adaptive system tailors a precise attack and builds long-term immunity. What are the major factors that affect immune function? The immune system is influenced by multiple internal and external factors, affecting its efficiency in combating infections and maintaining overall health. 1. Nutrition. The immune system relies on adequate nutrition for energy, cell production, and proper functioning. Vitamin C enhances the production and function of white blood cells. Vitamin D modulates immune responses, helping prevent overreaction or autoimmunity. Zinc is vital for T cell development and function. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting immune cells from oxidative damage. Protein is essential for the synthesis of immune cells, antibodies, and signaling molecules such as cytokines. Rich sources include lean meat, fish, beans, and dairy. Second, sleep. Sleep is essential for restoring immune system function. Adequate quality sleep promotes the production of cytokines, which are proteins that regulate immunity. It also supports the adaptive immune response by aiding in the formation of memory T and B cells. Sleep deprivation decreases cytokine levels and immune cell activity, increasing susceptibility to infections such as the common cold. Third, exercise. Physical activity plays a dual role in immune health. Moderate exercise enhances circulation of immune cells like neutrophils and natural killer cells. It reduces inflammation and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. However, excessive or intense exercise temporarily suppresses immune function by increasing cortisol levels and may lead to greater susceptibility to infection during the recovery period. Fourth, stress. The immune system is highly sensitive to emotional and physical stress. Acute stress can temporarily boost immunity due to the fight or flight response. Chronic stress increases levels of a hormone called cortisol, which suppresses the activity of immune cells and inflammation, reducing lymphocyte production, thereby reducing the body's ability to fight infection. Lastly, age. Immune function naturally changes over a lifetime with notable declines in older adults. In youth, the immune system is strong but immature, leading to frequent illnesses in the early years. In older adults, a condition called immunosenescence occurs, where the production and efficiency of immune cells decrease, resulting in reduced vaccine effectiveness and increased susceptibility to infections and illnesses such as pneumonia. So, how can you boost the immune system? What are the evidence-based strategies? A strong immune system is key to defending against infections and maintaining overall health. Incorporating these scientifically backed strategies into your lifestyle can significantly enhance your immune function. First, balanced diet. Proper nutrition provides the building blocks for immune cell production and function. What to include? Fruits and vegetables like oranges, spinach, carrots, and bell peppers are rich in vitamins C and A, as well as antioxidants to fight oxidative stress. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils are essential for antibody production. Healthy fat sources like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice provide sustained energy and gut-friendly fiber. Immune-boosting superfoods like antioxidant-rich berries, green tea rich in immune-boosting catechins, and nuts rich in selenium and zinc are a must-have in your diet. Second, stay active. Regular exercise enhances circulation, allowing immune cells to move efficiently throughout the body. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, such as brisk walking, swimming, cycling. Avoid overtraining, as intense or prolonged activity can suppress immune function. Third, prioritize sleep. Sleep is critical for immune memory formation and the production of infection-fighting cytokines. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Consistent sleep schedules improve circadian rhythm and immune health. Fourth, reduce stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which suppress immune responses. Mindfulness and meditation improves focus and emotional regulation. Yoga combines physical activity with relaxation. Deep breathing exercises activates the parasympathetic nervous system for relaxation. Fifth, stay vaccinated. Vaccines train the immune system to recognize and combat specific pathogens, providing long-lasting protection. It is important to get vaccinated for preventable diseases such as hepatitis, tetanus, and HPV. Sixth, stay hydrated. Proper hydration ensures the efficient production and circulation of immune cells and lymphatic fluid. It is recommended to drink 3 liters of water per day for women and 3 to 4 liters for men. However, this varies according to your activity level. Juices and soups are also hydrating options. Seventh, maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can impair immune function. Eighth, avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Both compromise immune defenses. Lastly, focus on gut health. Probiotics like yogurt, kefir, and prebiotics like garlic, bananas support a healthy microbiome, a key player in immunity. Optimizing your immune health requires a holistic approach combining diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, and preventive care. Small, consistent lifestyle changes can make a significant difference in your ability to fend off illnesses and recover faster. Now, let's discuss common immune system disorders. The immune system is designed to protect the body from harmful pathogens. However, dysfunction in its processes can lead to various disorders, broadly categorized into autoimmune diseases, immunodeficiency disorders, and allergies. Immune system disorders can range from mild and manageable to life-threatening. Early diagnosis, proper management, and understanding the triggers can improve quality of life and reduce complications. First, autoimmune diseases. In autoimmune diseases, the immune system mistakenly identifies the body's own healthy cells as foreign and attacks them. Common features include chronic inflammation and tissue damage and tend to affect specific organs or multiple systems. Examples include systemic lupus, erythematosus, rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes, etc. Second, immunodeficiency disorders. These conditions involve a weakened immune system that struggles to defend against infections and diseases. Primary immunodeficiencies are genetic or inherited conditions present from birth, such as severe combined immune deficiency. Secondary immunodeficiencies are acquired due to external factors such as infections or treatments such as HIV/AIDS. Third, allergic or hypersensitivity reactions. Allergies are hypersensitive immune reactions to usually harmless substances called allergens. Common allergens include environmental factors such as pollen, dust mites, pet dander, foods such as peanuts, shellfish, milk, and medications such as penicillin, aspirin. Exposure to an allergen causes the release of histamine by mast cells. Symptoms can range from mild sneezing and hives to a severe life-threatening anaphylaxis reaction. Common examples include hay fever or allergic rhinitis, asthma, and anaphylaxis. Remember, your immune system produces 1 million antibodies per second during an infection. Fever is your body's way of cooking pathogens to make them less effective. The gut houses 70% of your immune cells, making a healthy microbiome critical for immunity. Finally, let's talk about where the future of immunology is. Immunology is a rapidly advancing field, with groundbreaking innovations poised to revolutionize medicine. These developments aim to enhance our understanding of the immune system and its application in treating diseases. First, immunotherapy. Immunotherapy involves harnessing the power of the immune system to fight cancer and other diseases. Current innovations include checkpoint inhibitors and CAR T-cell therapy. This is revolutionizing cancer care, increasing survival rates in advanced cancers. It is also expanding potential applications in autoimmune diseases and infectious diseases. Second, personalized vaccines. Vaccines customized to an individual's genetic and immunological profile for optimal protection. This allows using genomic data to design vaccines that target pathogens or cancer mutations specific to the patient. For example, mRNA vaccines, such as those used for COVID-19, pave the way for rapid adaptation. This has resulted in improved efficacy and fewer side effects and applications in diseases such as cancer and rare infections. Third, microbiome research. This includes exploring the role of gut bacteria in regulating immune responses. A diverse microbiome strengthens immunity, while imbalances are associated with autoimmune diseases, allergies, and infections. Certain probiotics may enhance immune responses or regulate inflammation. Future applications delve into developing microbiome-targeted therapies, including probiotics, prebiotics, and fecal microbiota transplantation to boost immunity. Lastly, gene editing. This involves using gene editing tools such as CRISPR to modify the DNA of immune cells or correct genetic defects. Its applications vary from correcting genetic mutations responsible for inherited immune deficiencies and engineering immune cells to recognize and destroy tumors, to modulating immune responses to treat tumors and reduce overactivity in autoimmune diseases. This has resulted in the development of precision medicine with long-term solutions for previously untreatable conditions. The future of immunology holds immense promise, with potential breakthroughs that will reshape medicine, improve patient outcomes, and extend lives. By leveraging cutting-edge technologies, the immune system's capabilities are being unlocked like never before. In essence, your immune system is an extraordinary and highly adaptable defense network that works tirelessly to protect you. From the common cold to serious infections, it's the silent hero keeping you alive. By nurturing it through proper nutrition, rest, exercise, and reducing stress, you can give your immune system the support it needs to keep you thriving. So there you have it. Your immune system, a complex, powerful defense force protecting you 24/7.